There are new questions this morning about the safety of GlaxoSmithKline's diabetes drug, Avandia. Bloomberg's Peter Cook is in Washington, who has more. Peter, questions about this drug have been raised in the past, correct?
That's right, Eric. A 2007 study challenged by the company first raised concerns that Avandia posed cardiac risks, and the FDA subsequently ordered a warning label but allowed the drug to remain on the market. But it has taken a hit in that time, producing revenue of $1.2 billion for Glaxo last year, down from over $3 billion in 2006. Now, a two-year investigation by the Senate Finance Committee staff that included a review of internal GlaxoSmithKline documents finds that the totality of the evidence suggests that GlaxoSmithKline was aware of the possible cardiac risks associated with Avandia years before such evidence became public. And instead of warning patients and the FDA of their own concerns, the staff report concludes that GlaxoSmithKline executives intimidated independent physicians, focused on strategies to minimize findings that Avandia may increase cardiovascular risk, and sought ways to downplay findings that a rival drug, Actos, might reduce cardiovascular risk. Now, Senate Finance Committee Chairman Max Baucus, who ordered this study, along with the ranking Republican on the panel, Chuck Grassley of Iowa, he's not pleased with this report. He says in a statement, patients trust drug companies with their health and lives, and GlaxoSmithKline abused that trust. Glaxo shares are down today over in Europe, and in its own statement, the company rejects the conclusions of the committee's report and says the scientific evidence simply does not establish that Avandia increases the risk of heart attack. So, Eric, the company is pushing back.
Peter, plenty of criticism for GlaxoSmithKline. What about the FDA?
Definitely the FDA under fire as well in this report. Baucus and Grassley are questioning why the drug is still available, given FDA data showing it caused approximately 83,000 excess heart attacks between 1999 and 2007. They're giving FDA Commissioner Margaret Hamburg until March 4th to explain why the agency is allowing another Avandia study to continue, given the potential risk to participants. They also want to know if participants are aware of those risks. We're going to talk to Senator Grassley at 11:42 Eastern Time this morning.